Catherine, what pro tips can you offer about membership, joining Atlanta Outdoors Club?
Sandie, I've been in the club since 2009, so gosh, it's been a minute. And I've learned some things trial and error over the years and would like to think that I've accumulated some wisdom and knowledge along the way. Um, but one of the biggest things that I would say, especially for someone new, is it can be a little bit intimidating trying something new and you don't maybe know a lot of people in the group. And my advice to you is, you know, don't give up after the first time. I would say try to do at least 10 events before you're like, yeah, this is for me, or maybe it's not. Because it takes a minute to get into a groove and really feel where your place is and your people. So that would be my number one tip is don't give up after the first time. So many of us that are longtime members, we've had so many incredible opportunities to travel and make really great relationships. And none of that would have been possible if I had bailed and not given the club a chance. So that would be my number one pro tip.
Okay.
My second pro tip is don't um, tick off the leaders that are organizing events and be on time and don't cancel at the last second
Mm.
for not a great reason. I mean, obviously people get sick or whatever, but if you're constantly canceling and not being there on time, it's not the best way to get started in a new
Yeah.
organization.
That's like with anything. Yeah. Being on time is important.
And then another tip that I would advise too is even ask another friend that you work with or a neighbor to join the club with you. And that might make it a more enriching experience because you're kind of going through the club together as new members and you guys can bond together as you're figuring your way out through the club. I think that's an excellent way to acclimate yourself to our organization.
Yeah. No, I for sure. I'm gonna tell one of my friends today. Hopefully she joins with me and we can all go hiking together.